Crash course on Cuban cuisine. Welcome to a crash course on the delectable world of Cuban cuisine. From its flavorful dishes influenced by Spanish, African, and Caribbean culinary traditions to its use of fresh ingredients and vibrant flavors, Cuban food is a true delight for the taste buds. Let's explore the essence of Cuban cuisine and some of its iconic dishes. Cuban cuisine is a reflection of the island's history and cultural diversity. It combines indigenous ingredients with the culinary techniques brought by Spanish colonizers and the culinary traditions of African slaves. The result is a fusion of flavors and textures that have become integral to Cuban identity. Some iconic Cuban dishes include 1. Ropa Vieja. This is a classic Cuban dish made with shredded beef cooked in a flavorful tomato-based sauce with onions, peppers, and spices. The name, Ropa Vieja, translates to old clothes, because the shredded beef resembles tattered clothing. 2. Moros y Cristianos, meaning Moors and Christians. This dish is a combination of black beans and rice. The black beans represent the Moors, while the rice represents the Christians. It's a staple dish in Cuban cuisine and is often served alongside other meats and vegetables. 3. Lechon asado. A highlight of Cuban cuisine. Lechon asado is a roasted suckling pig seasoned with garlic, citrus juices, and a blend of herbs and spices. The result is tender, succulent meat with a crispy skin, often served with rice and plantains. 4. Cubano sandwich. This iconic sandwich features layers of roasted pork, ham, Swiss cheese, pickles, and mustard on Cuban bread. It's typically pressed until the cheese melts and the bread becomes crispy. 5. Tostones. These are twice-fried plantain slices, which are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. They are commonly served as a side dish or snack and are often accompanied by a garlic sauce or mojo. 6. Yuca con mojo. Yuca, or cassava, is a starchy root vegetable widely used in Cuban cuisine. It's boiled and then served with a tangy garlic sauce known as mojo, made with citrus juices, garlic, and olive oil. 7. Flan. A popular Cuban dessert, flan is a creamy caramel custard with a smooth texture and a sweet caramelized sauce on top. It's a delightful way to end a Cuban meal. 8. Café Cubano. Cuban coffee is strong and sweet, typically served in small espresso cups. It's made by brewing finely ground coffee beans with sugar, creating a rich and flavorful cup of coffee. 9. Congri. Also known as arroz congri, or moros. This dish is a combination of rice and black beans cooked together, resulting in a flavorful and hearty side dish. 10. Papas rellenas. These are mashed potato balls stuffed with seasoned ground beef, onions, and peppers, then breaded and deep-fried. They make a delicious snack or appetizer. Cuban cuisine is a culinary journey that reflects the country's history, traditions, and flavors. From the savory and tender meats to the aromatic spices and tropical ingredients, Cuban food is a true celebration of taste. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, let's savor the flavors of Cuban cuisine with a poem. In Cuba's vibrant kitchens, a culinary delight. Flavors come alive, a true gastronomic height. Ropa Vieja's tender beef, a tomato-based stew. Moros y Cristianos, beans and rice in perfect view. Lechon asado, a roasted pig, succulent and grand. Cubano sandwich, layers of goodness, all in hand. Tostones, crispy plantains, twice fried with care. Yuca con mojo, a garlicky delight to share. Flan, a creamy caramel dream, sweet and smooth. Café Cubano, bold and strong, a taste to soothe. Congri, rice and beans united, a perfect blend. Papas rellenas, stuffed potatoes, a savory trend. Cuban cuisine, a celebration of history and tradition. From the fields to the table, a flavorful rendition. Let us indulge in the richness of Cuban fare. A tapestry of tastes, a true culinary affair. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.